When there are 7 different file types to choose from, how do we make the decision about which one to use? Understand that the smaller bit or byte size doesn't necessarily mean less information. Instead, it explains how the information is stored and the formatting that's available in the file. The decision really depends on the work that is being done and the size of the file. The best quality output of digital cameras is usually a TIFF. However, the file size is huge when compared to the others. Most digital cameras allow for picture files to be saved as TIFF and about 3 JPG quality settings. TIFF files have all of the qualities of the original image through lossless compression, whereas JPG files lose some quality with lossy compression. TIFF is often used as the working storage format of an image while it's being edited. Loading, editing, and saving multiple times with JPG storage degrades the image with each new save. 1 or 2 high-quality JPG saves might not be as noticeable, but after about 10, it will be. TIFF is not used for web images due to the big file size and the inability to display TIFFs in a web browser. Just about all photographs found online are JPG, since they produce excellent quality at high compression settings. JPG can also be the format of choice for the final product of digital images, i.e. keep digital images saved as TIFFs or editing software formats until they're finished. GIF is a good choice for saving images that have fewer than 256 colors and contain large areas of the same color. GIF is not recommended for photographic images due to the 256 color limitation. PNG is the file choice for an image with large areas of uniform color and if more than 256 colors are found in the image. For displaying images with lossless compression on the web, PNG is the file of choice. It is the only lossless format that web browsers support. Partial transparency of images, e.g. fades, is also supported in PNG files. RAW files are considered to be equivalent to a film negative. All of the information that the camera captured is found in a RAW. Sharing images on a website, printing, social media, etc. are not supported by RAW files. Exporting the RAW files to PNG or JPG for these purposes is recommended. Since manufacturers' software produces RAW files in different formats and they consistently change as cameras evolve, it's recommended that images also get saved as JPG or PNG files. Why are RAW files used at all? The RAW image from the camera retains all the information the camera captured and contains more than 24 bits per pixel. RAW programs, such as Adobe Lightroom, allow for the user to make changes to the photograph, e.g. changing contrast, white balance, brightness, etc., with less degradation to the digital image. Consider the RAW files as your camera film, and the JPG or PNG files as the photo prints. Similar to RAW files, graphics software image files, e.g. PSD, PSP, etc., should be kept in their original file format during the editing process. The final digital images should be saved as TIFF, PNG, or JPG. Include GIF if there are 256 colors or less. Let's say we had a folder that contained 30 files and we needed to email it to someone. How would we go about doing this? There are a couple of different answers to this question. The folder could be compressed into a zip folder and sent via email, or the folder could be saved through cloud storage, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, iCloud, etc., and then shared. Let's explore the processes involved in both of these cases. Compressing a folder of files to a zip folder allows multiple files to be stored in one location in a smaller size. The files in the zip folder are also compressed to reduce storage. Creating a zip folder is also pretty easy to do. On a PC, you would select the folder or files to zip, right-click, and choose the options Send to, Compressed Zipped Folder. A new version of the folder is then created and can be sent or shared via email. On a Mac, select the folder or files to zip, right-click and choose the options Compress Folder. A new version of the folder or an archive.zip folder is then created and can be sent or shared via email. A folder of files can also be saved through cloud storage, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, iCloud, etc., and then shared. Simply drag and drop the original file folder into the Internet browser window of the cloud storage chosen and share it. Overall, when compressing or sharing files, multiple methods can be used. Regardless of the method chosen, no information is ever lost or removed. The compression changes the size and/or quality of the information being sent, but not the information itself.